I asked Claude Code to make 2 movie trailers right here in the terminal, and it wrote the script, generated every visual, it even did the voiceover. I didn't touch a video editor, I did it all right here in the terminal. I want to show you how. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield. So they make AI video models, including Cinema Studio Video, C-Dance 2.0, VO 3.1, Kling 3.0, all the latest models you have access to through Higgsfield. But what they just shipped that I was very interested in was their MCP server. So this connects Higgsfield directly to Claude Code, so I can generate visuals straight from my terminal. So we are in a day where I can just type, I want a video of this, and in just a couple minutes, it's there for me, ready to go. By the way, if you want to add Higgsfield to your own Claude Code setup, it's just one command. You open your terminal, Claude MCP add Higgsfield. So if you're wanting to add this for yourself, there's instructions here for adding the custom connector. They also have a CLI. They also have a skill. So you can add all of these to your Claude Code and interact directly from there. So you can see when I go to my MCP servers, Higgsfield is connected. I also have ElevenLabs connected for voice generation. And if you want me to do more tutorials on how to get these set up, let me know. I'd love to do that. But once that MCP server is set up, I can just go into Claude and say, write a movie trailer. Call Higgsfield to generate every shot. Call ElevenLabs to narrate. Pull music from YouTube's audio library. Stitch the whole thing with ffmpeg. So I can do that all from the keyboard, and it'll just put together a movie trailer. So I want to show you just quickly what it came up with. I did this twice. The first one was a trailer for Zenflow. That's an AI coding IDE that I work for them and help with developer relations. And the angle is that one AI model writing your code is good, but what Zenflow lets you do is it lets 3 different models review each other's work. So I just asked it basically put together a movie trailer for that. And again, it took care of the script. It did all the visuals through Higgsfield. It did all the audio through ElevenLabs, and then it stitched it together with ffmpeg. And here's what came out. I won't show you the whole thing.
Every developer knows the rule. Don't ship code without a second opinion. But what if you don't have one? AI was supposed to help, but every model has blind spots. Claude alone misses the security flaw. ChatGPT alone skips the performance bug. Gemini alone overlooks the edge case. Until they started checking each other's work. Better code, lower cost, one IDE, where AI checks AI.
All right, so that was the first trailer that it did for Zenflow. I thought it was pretty cool. What worked really well, the atmospheric shots, the Cinema Studio Video gave me the server corridor and the code wall. It just put that all together. There were some funny things that it came up with that it couldn't quite get right. Like it tried to show the 4 mascots of different AIs like actually fighting with each other or arguing. And it had some trouble with that. Cinema Studio had trouble with like words, but we'll come back to that because I found a workaround. I actually talked with their team, found a workaround. Then it tried to generate like a coder working on multiple panels, and it was okay. Just had trouble with the words there. But that's the whole advantage of doing this in Claude Code is Claude was able to see, oh, it didn't quite work the way we wanted, and then it generated something else, and it just kind of fixed it as we went. So let me show you trailer 2. This one I made for my YouTube channel. I just said, look at my YouTube channel, make a movie trailer for it. So this is Nebraska. But let me show you this here real quick.
In a world where AI...
They made me look jacked. Maybe in my low 20s. I mean, it looks like me, but I don't make that face. My mouth, but that looks pretty good. It put me in there, it found photos of me on the computer and then just sent them to Higgsfield. Look how happy I look. That's pretty close to my monitor setup though.
Last login, James Pelton, streaming weekly.
I think Higgsfield really shone here, the Cinema Studio in particular, where you can upload a reference image, and it actually put me into the videos. And I think it looks pretty good, especially me here. That looks exactly like me. But I just love that this is all connected to my terminal now. It can just be part of my workflow. Anything I'm doing, this is great as a YouTuber. I can just say, hey, I need a video clip of this. And in a few minutes, it's there. And I can say, add some voiceover. Contacts ElevenLabs. And this is all within Claude Code. So they have great image generation too. I just told it to do a Zenflow IDE mockup. And it does the text even really well. I said it to generate like a slide that you could use for a presentation. And I kind of gave it the data and it generated this. And again, this was all from my Claude Code terminal. I said generate a retro arcade HUD dashboard, and this is what it came up with. So then I asked it to do show how my AI agent workflow works, and you can see it does text even really well.
So the problem is that the user's input is not being validated on the server side.
And this video, all I put was generate a person at a desk talking to the camera. So this isn't a real person, obviously. It's not me, it's not anyone. It's just 9 seconds of 9 words. This one was just generate a video of a barista. And I mean, this looks very realistic in my opinion. So all in all, I'm pretty blown away by Higgsfield. They're probably the biggest in the AI generation right now. And now that it's all integrated in with just whatever workflow you have, works perfectly for me. So let me know in the comments, which trailer do you like better? My Zenflow one or my James Pelton one? Let me see what you create. Create some stuff. Go sign up for Higgsfield. I'll leave a link down below and give it a shot. Try connecting it to Claude Code. If you want more of a tutorial on my setup and how this works in with, my bot system that I have, then I'd be happy to do that. I love talking about that. And of course, please like and subscribe if you want to hear more about AI tools and side hustles around AI and just learning about AI. And then I'll be talking more about Higgsfield in our school group. So my friend Nolan and I, he's a marketer. I'm kind of the tech guy. And we created this free school group just to help teach people about AI. So I'll leave a link to that down below as well. Another shout out to Higgsfield. Thank you guys so much. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.